Yes.
So with the toilet, we definitely need bleach because it's a very high germ area. So we'll do the bleach. First, we do one side with the bleach just to clean the first layer of impurities. Okay, with the brush. Sorry. So we'll first remove the first layer of impurities and we'll brush out because we get rid of whatever it's impure, and also the bleach is helping to kind of make the unit white, because sometimes some of the units they have limestone remains, and it kind of has like a yellowish stain inside. Okay, and we make sure we clean the brush as well. We get rid of that and flush it. Bam. Okay, so the brush is clean. We put it in back. Now I will do one more round with bleach. Okay, and then normally I have another type of brush, a second one, but I don't have it here. And we have this cloth, which is specially for the toilet. So normally it's red, so it's high germ. Okay, and we separate the blue with the green, with the red, and all that stuff. So we have the cloth and a separate sponge, which is dedicated only for the toilets. Okay, so we have sponge for toilets, sponge for shower, and sponge for sinks. Okay. Okay, so for the toilet, so like first we sterilize the toilet inside. We got rid of the main kind of impurities and dirt. Now I have a little like kind of pot here with water. I put bleach in it, and I have this special sponge which is specially dedicated for the toilet area. Okay, so what we do with it, I can like put it somewhere. What we do, I put bleach, sometimes we put like our kind of detergent, and then I start washing the this part of the thing, and we wash it properly. I think I should put some disinfectant. Okay, so normally it's like different kind of sprays. So we put the disinfectant, and then with the sponge we rub it in, so we get rid of all the dirt and stains and stuff. Yeah, so has to, this way we kind of, we're washing it properly and sterilizing it every day. Okay, now this side is very important because this side collects all the most important parts of the germs. We have to wash it properly and get rid of all the stains and the dirt on this side, and then very important on this side because okay, all right, one. Okay, so we did that. I close it. We do that side as well. Here. And we make sure that we do this side, okay? So once we do this, because that's the most dirty side of this part, we collect the water, and then, okay. Now I put one more, a little bit more water, a little bit of more bleach, okay? And now we use the high alert cloth, okay? Put that separate. So the high alert cloth, we moisture it, okay? And we just wipe the last remains of the impurities and dirt. Okay. In some cases, you can use a clean cloth, like a dry cloth at the end. Okay. I'll wash it one more time. Yes. Same here. Very careful because this is the most dirty part. Okay, so we have to do all this side stuff. And like this. And then we do one more cleaning of the lower part just to get rid of all the impurities. And then at the end, once you're finished with this, you just mop. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.